Everyone, and welcome to my channel Learn with Upasana. Today I will explain you about the PowerPoint presentation. PowerPoint presentation is the most popular presentation software. It is a part of Microsoft Office, and this software is widely used in Office to create the business presentation and in school to create the educational presentation. Hello everyone, how to open the presentation first? Then first go to the all applications, then go to the Microsoft Office from here like this. When you click on that, select the PowerPoint, this. So this way you can open the window of your PowerPoint. Let me explain you first about the PowerPoint window. This topmost bar is called the title bar, and this is the quick access toolbar. Here you got the slide panel, and the area where you are working is called the work area, and down this is the view buttons. From here you can zoom your slide like this, zoom down, zoom up. Let's start to create a presentation today. Today I am taking the topic internet, and here I am writing my name by, you can write your own name, Upasana, like I am writing. So 4A. You can make the changes in the font of your text. So select your text. From here you can bold. You can change the size of your text, like I want the big size, so 80 I am taking, and I want to change the color also. So I think this color is the best for this internet word, and I want to change the text also this. Yes, like Algerian I am taking, and I want bold, and I want to change the color of this. So this way you can change the color. So this is very simple demo I am giving today. So this is our first slide. For next slide, you just go there, new slides written in home section. New slide is there. When you click the new slide, you can get many types of slide here. So this is the sample of slide, which type of slide you want. I want a picture slide here. Then I am taking the blank, and from here I insert and go to the picture. When I'm here and I select the internet, I simply click the picture and go to the insert. So here I can insert the picture. You can make the changes the size of your picture like this. Okay, this is the second slide. Now for the next slide, I want to insert some content here. Suppose I want to write about internet. Then I am writing what is internet. Fine. Then I already have saved somewhere about the internet in my sticky notes. So just from here I am copying it. Okay, Control C, and I am copying the content here simply. Now this is the content where you have saved. Now you can make changes in your content as I have done before in the first line. So suppose I want to change the font here, so just I am taking the font face Arial round, and change the font of topic here also like this, and I am giving the Algerian face. I am giving bold. I want underline also it. Now this way you can make the changes in the slide. Okay, now come to the next. Now next slide I want to write uses of internet. Okay, again I am going to my sticky notes and simply I am copying and paste. You roll V like this. Now again I am selecting. You can make changes. I am selecting this one. I like this one. So again I am selecting, and I am changing the color of my font. So this way I am changing and giving the bold, and I also want to change the color of this one also. So this way you can make the changes of your color. Now this is the very simple first step how to create the 4 slides we have. Now you want to see in slide, go to the slideshow. This is the slideshow button. When you click this slide come like this. When you click any button, this come to the next slide. Okay, fine. So more things are there. If I want to insert a clip art on my internet first page. Then I click the clip art from here. This box open in front of you. Just write internet and go to go. And here you got the topic, so many pictures. Select one picture you want. Suppose I am selecting this one picture, and this comes in your slide. Here I am. Now you can make the changes, the size of your clip art also, like this box. Suppose this is my blank page. Here I want to write something. Then how you will write here? Just go to the insert, go to the text box, select your text box and write, like I'm writing about internet simply, and just select your text, change the text font like this. Okay, so it is very simple. And again, in the insert, go to the insert one, word art is there, select the word art. From here you can select the different type of fonts are written here. Suppose I want this one, then I write just net is world wide used. Okay, so many options are there. Suppose I want to insert some shapes, just go there and you can create a shape like this. How you can make the changes in your shape? First you have drawn the shape in your slide, then go to the format. From here, shape fill color, you can change the color. If you want no color, just go to no color. Your outline you can change. Suppose no outline, you have just no outline. Or you can make changes as outline, how much thicker outline you want, like this. So this way you can make changes in the format. First select from insert, go there, then go to the format, you can make changes in that. Next is design phase. Suppose I want to change the design of my all slide. So many designs are given here. You can select any design. Like I am selecting this one design. This way your slide are looking. Next is a transition. This transition will come like wipe. Whatever transition you are using this one slide, when it goes to the next slide, it shows in between that both the slide. So in the next, suppose I am taking this cover. In the next one, just click here. You got different type of transition there. Then go, then do the next, like checkbox. Then go to the next. Then four slide have made, transition done, and the next phase is the animation. Like this, it will come like this. In a particular text or in particular picture, you can use the animation. Okay, like shape I'm giving now this way you can make changes in your presentation slides. Now let's go to the slideshow. Go to the from beginning. From this way you can, now when you click a button, this way it will come. Next slide, next slide. No. So hope you understand. A very simple presentation it is. Go to the save. Suppose I want to save in desktop with internet name, and I am saving my presentation here. So thank you so much. Thank you friends. In next video I will explain you more about the PowerPoint presentation.